What's up, foodies? With only a few ingredients, I'm gonna show you how to make lemon possets. Let's go. Boom. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lemon Possets. It's a treat. Check that out. Cheers. Oh, such a delight right there. Lemony, refreshing. Creamy too. I impressed myself. The lemon zest comes right through this lemony. It's so good. Only takes a few ingredients to make, and it's very delicious and very light, I must say. Like, comment, share, follow for more, and as always, peace, guys.